I'm finding that in conferences, events, and meetings where we're booking speakers, the stakes are higher for keynoters like you. I know you're up for the challenge, but it's no longer that in college, that 100 level course. Hey, let's talk
Yeah.
about leadership or
Yeah.
teamwork or collaboration. I've never used the word customized speech because it feels so personalized. I like to say tailored. It feels a
Yeah.
little softer to take the pressure, the expectation off the buyer and the expectation off the speaker. But really, you do have to dial in. You do have to fortify the mood. Okay, so I'm going to speak to this and can bring in my work based on the industry or certain initiatives in the organization that I'm talking to, or the history or where they're headed. And that's also a way of connecting intelligently. You'll do a pre-event video, and it used to be, hey, I can't wait to be in Maui, and
That's
we'll have fun in the sun and get to learn together. Now it's like, hey, we're gonna really expand everybody's ability to be more empathetic in a
yeah.
hybrid work environment. Here's
Yeah.
two things to think about before we get there, and these are the basics. And then I'm gonna get really granular, in person or some. I'm riffing, but it's something like that.
Yeah, I think we have seen a transformative shift in the speaking industry. Having been in it for over a decade, I am so excited. I think that especially COVID wasn't a negative event. It was extremely positive event to amplify all the ways we can continue to get better at creating amazing experiences for audiences. And so some of the shifts I've seen are definitely that thoughtful pre-engagement before an event. So it's not just a video, it's here are questions to ask. Here's an assessment to take. Join us on social media, to get excited with these hashtags, when appropriate. That might work for a
Right.
tech company, but you
Right.
tailor it maybe differently for a law firm. During the event, I've seen the whole range of the importance of massive engagement in the session, practical examples, impact that people can go put into practice immediately. I'm a big fan of that. I did
Yeah.
come from a Harvard and MIT
Yeah.
background, and I cite academic studies, but I get very specific to make sure everyone knows what they can do immediately the
Yeah.
next day, the next
Yeah.
week, the next month. And people need that now with the amount of overwhelming information they can get from YouTube or from other
Mm.
sources. And last, how do you sustain that? It's been amazing to speak at an event with 2,000 people, but then have 2,000 more people online listening through a virtual live
Yep.
stream.
That's
And
right.
and in the Q&A, having questions from different parts of the world, being able to engage people through polls, continuing conversations post events in a variety of different ways. And I think
Yeah.
that's just going to continue to elevate us even more in the industry.
I want to shift gears here a little bit, but when I do brag on you to my clients, it is that you provide an immediate, lasting impact. That is, the takeaways are able to be utilized right away, and they have this durability, this time over time use to them. So it's just great to see how you're dancing with the landscape and the shifting sands. Let's
And
shift gears. Go
you're
ahead.
the best keynote curator. So anyone that's looking needs to go to Seth to find the best speaker.
Thank you. Well, there's a lot of people looking, Erica. If I wish you had a book coming out tomorrow because it would immediately go on the bestseller list because there's so many people watching us.